Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here to wrap up our 4-part series of sauce rip-off recipes. Now, one of the top sauces people want is the Chick-fil-A sauce. They always run out at the restaurant, and you always got to pay the $2 for the tub of Chick-fil-A sauce so you can dip in it because they don't realize they need to order more. I have no idea. So also, I want to tell you about this brand right here, and I'll show you up close. But it's from Great Value, Walmart, and it's called Chicken Dipping Sauce, and I've been told this tastes just like Chick-fil-A sauce. So we're going to taste that, we're going to make Chick-fil-A sauce, it's all happening today, and we're going to do it right now. People are so excited about this video because they love Chick-fil-A sauce. Some of you are so addicted like my son. He eats it all the time. So let's get this started. So there's a shot up close of what this dipping sauce is sold out at Walmart the last 3 times we went. The last time we found it, we had to look up above where it was stored, and then we found one. But this sells out all the time, so this must be really good. It's their chicken dipping sauce, the Great Value. So go look at your Walmart, I bet it's sold out already. So put that off to the side. Now let's run down these ingredients. You got honey, you got mustard, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, lemon juice. All right, you see everything? Good. Let's get it mixed up. All right, so we're starting about a cup of mayonnaise, a little bit more. We're doubling our batch because it's telling us to use like half a cup. And I don't think that's going to be enough. So we'll add in our barbecue sauce. I don't know if you've ever used my barbecue sauce, but it's super thick. So sometimes you want it at room temperature. There we go. A lot of people are ordering this. It's called the best barbecue sauce you'll ever taste. A lot of people are ordering it for Super Bowl. So we're selling a lot of this right now. Check Amazon Prime if you want to get yourself some. Let's not forget our lemon juice. Gonna put our honey in. Now we use a wildflower honey. It's a locally grown wildflower honey because it's not as sweet as some of your other honeys. All right, now it's time to put our mustard in. And then we're gonna mix this all around. And then tomorrow we're gonna try our rip-off recipe, then we're gonna try the Walmart rip-off recipe, and we're gonna try the regular Chick-fil-A sauce. We're gonna tell you which one to go with. Plays in the fridge for 24 hours. It's time to taste the Chick-fil-A sauce. This is the one everybody's been wondering about if we nailed it or not, okay? So we're gonna taste the Walmart version first. It's called their Chicken Dipping Sauce by Great Value. And they're always sold out of this. So go ahead and try that.
Yeah, let's do this. What are you doing?
I thought you were gonna feed me.
Mm-mm. That is really comparable. I know Chick-fil-A sauce, and that's really comparable.
Oh my goodness. Chicken dipping sauce. Don't even make mine. Forget my, no wonder they're sold out all the time. We have 2 bottles like this. Chicken dipping sauce. They totally ripped them off. All right, so let's try my version.
It's a little too mustardy.
Not quite. No, fail. I'll call it a fail.
Okay.
This is not a good rip-off recipe. It's good, but it's not Chick-fil-A sauce. This chicken dipping sauce by
I'll have to try this to tell you.
I'll have a link down below if you want to pick it up, or I'll put it down below so you don't forget. This is amazing.
Just a little hint: if it's not on the shelf where it is, look up on the top shelf because that's where I found it.
Yeah, she had to look
very,
at the
very
top where they
top.
store extra. So there it is. Chicken dipping sauce is a home run. Mine is a failure. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode.
Bye-bye.